Find the sum of the first 200 positive even integers. Went ahead and started 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. I could do that until I had all 200 of them and then add them up. But frankly, I don't want to take that approach. I want to try something else. First thing is, if I can figure out what would be that 200th term. In other words, what would a of 200 be? Let's start with a of 1 at 2 and figure out what my difference is. In this case, the difference between 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, my difference in this case is going to be 2. That's going to allow me to figure out what would a to the n be. A to the n would be a to the 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. In this case, a to the 1 would be 2 plus n minus 1 times the difference of 2. Next, I can distribute that 2 throughout, so a to the n would equal 2 plus 2n minus 2, or a to the n would simply be 2n. From that, then, I know that a to the 200th, the 200th term of this series, would be 400. The reason I want the 200th term is if I know my first term and my last term, I can find the sum between those. So s to the n would equal n over 2 times the sum of the first and the last terms. In this case, a to the n, a to the 1 plus a to the n. So s sub 200th would be 200 over 2 times 2 plus 400, because that's going to be a to the 200, or s to the 200 would equal 100 times 402, and my final answer then would be, multiplying by 100, 40,200.